So we often have customers asking, well, how do we take care of our furniture after? And we've always taken this really simple approach. Well, you can find lemon oil at the grocery store, so it's easy to get. And let's face the reality of that most folks are not wanting to polish their furniture. So they want something easy and something they can find quick. And so our use of lemon oil is because it is such a simple thing to get. It's a simple thing to use, and it completely does not build up and so forth. And these spray polishes have a silicone buildup. And they say, oh no, it doesn't build up, but it does. And so what you end up with is the buildup, and the two of them start to become one. And I no longer now have a surface of a good finish. So we have recommended lemon oil for many years. It's been in the 25-year range because of how easy it is to get it, and there is absolutely no buildup. And this is the most important part. It feeds the original finish, slowing that entropy by keeping it moist so that the finish does not flake. And so the secondary part of that is that when the wood moves with the temperature change, in North Carolina we have 20% humidity in the wintertime and 100% humidity in the summertime. And so the wood is moving, and often the finish is the thing that's not moving as well as it ages. And the finish will start to dry and crack, and the lemon oil slows that entropy. We are usually saying once or twice a year, but if you just put the lemon oil on one rag and wipe it off with another rag, you're really going to get a good clean finish. And so if you have a paste waxed piece, you can gently do lemon oil, but the lemon oil will start to cut all the wax. And so you have to do a test. We always say, hey, do a test on a small area, see how the lemon oil works for you. And if you need to continue with waxing it because it starts to get smudgy, you either have a choice to remove all of that wax and then continue with lemon oil, or keep going with the wax because that's what the finish has been.